What's going on, everybody? Joey here, back in the kitchen. Today is Sunday, end of the weekend. I've had so much to do today, but of course, as you know, my Whirlpool fridge is a pile of garbage. I'm sure you guys seen the video before, hopefully you have. If not, boom, 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 link up at the top. It leaks, it's defective, it sucks. Whirlpool knows it sucks. They know that this thing is a pile of garbage, but they sell it anyways. So every week or two I have to empty out the bottom of my refrigerator to get a big block of ice out of there, or it gets all jacked up. And guess what? I've been busy. It's been about, man, I'd say 3 to 4 weeks now, and this thing is even worse than it usually is. So I'm going to show you how bad these Whirlpool fridges are and tell you, don't buy them. Alright, so I'm going to open this up and show you how bad this freezer has got just from the defects, I believe, factory defects of this freezer. There we go, look at that. We got ice forming in here on everything. Got a little bit of snow in case I want to make a snowball. Over on here too, and over on here I can actually make a snowball. Look at that. That's horrible. That is the worst freezer. Oh, look at that! An icicle came off of this little Ziploc bag over here. Whoa! Look at that. This is the worst freezer I've ever had. Do not buy one of these. Whirlpool, run the other way. But before I clean out the fridge or the freezer, let me show you exactly what's going on. If I come over here, you can see right here at the freezer, it's not sealing properly. So I am getting air in there. If you see that. That air is getting in there, mixing with the cold freezer and making this mess that I have to clean up. Thank you, Whirlpool. I love you. Now I'm a turtle. I can't get up.